walking here in the snow, we're noticing some footprints. We don't know what these are. It could be a deer. Looks like a deer, or it could be a coyote. We got coyotes around here. But anyway, we're heading that way. We're gonna set up a little camp cook site. Do a little cooking out here. So nothing too fancy here. I just got this axe. Just went to Lowe's. Nothing special, just the Lowe's axe. I'm just gonna cut up a little bit. This is our wood. We get the wood, buy it by the cord, delivered to us, so we're not cutting down any trees around here. But this is just our firewood for the season. I'm just gonna break it up and get some smaller pieces going just so we can have a bed for our fire. So we're gonna mix that, and then we're gonna put charcoal on top just to make a nice sort of woody fire, which is going to give us a lot of flavor. So here's the first axe of the season. Nice and warm over here now. So today's menu is an eggplant, tomato, potato dish. And what it's going to be, we're just going to fry up all the vegetables, we're going to marinate the tomatoes in vinegar, and then we're going to do everything in the cast iron pan, bring it all together, and serve it as like a delicious meal. That's the plan for today. Alright, so we're going to start cubing up our eggplant. Quite a beautiful specimen here. Okay, so quite a bit of eggplant here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to just let these sit in a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, and they sort of cure a little bit. Makes them take better to the frying that we're going to do. Okay, then we hit this with salt. I was going to say we need some water. So we're going to get a little fresh snow. Put it on here and see what happens. A good spot for that. Make a little bit of water. Up next we're going to do our tomatoes. We're just chopping up our tomatoes. Give them a nice rough chop, nothing too fancy. And then we're going to marinate them in just simple vinegar and some spices. We brought along some sriracha, just to give it a little extra kick before it gets incorporated into the rest of the dish. Up next we're going to put in a bit of onion. Probably just half this onion. So we're just adding more onion to our tomatoes. Tomatoes are looking beautiful there. Onions in. Okay. Now, so we've got a basic mix here. Just trying to mix it up a bit with my hand. A nice sort of majority tomato mix there. We're going to add a bit of acid, just some simple white vinegar. Oop, not the cap. Then the next piece of this, we add sriracha to give the tomatoes and onion a little bit of extra kick. We're taking a quick break to make apple cider so we can stay warm out here. It's a little bit chilly being out in the cold. It'll be good. Just having a little apple cider to hold us over before we start doing our cooking. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so the next big piece of this puzzle is potato. So what we're going to do, we're going to parboil our potatoes. Gonna get some snow, should get a little bit of water boiling over here. I'm going off to get snow that doesn't have any stuff in it. Minimal stuff. I'll just bring some of these coals over into this area here. Have that water boiling up. Of course, got a little smoky here, but we're just gonna add a good amount of olive oil. Like a really good, we're just like sauteing these up, frying them almost. And then we're gonna get this good and coated, and then these are just gonna have a good spot right there. We'll start cooking our egg plant. It's really cold today. Some say it's like 8 degrees out Fahrenheit. We're below 0. We're cold. We're trying to stay warm. We got our fire going. We're surviving. Next move here, we're going to start cooking our potatoes. And these are going into some almost boiling water. Alright, so just one thing we almost forgot, but we're now not forgetting. Special ingredient is tahini. We're going to do, just make sure we get a good amount of it into our tomato. And make sure that's in there. Put this away. So these are cooking through, probably just a few more minutes. And we want them to crisp up just a little bit. Then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer them out. We're going to get our tomatoes in. We're going to saute those, add the potatoes, and add the eggplant back, and then we'll have this beautiful mix. Cooking shows. We're out here cooking. I'm feeling very cold right now. Starting to get hungry. Starting to get dark out here. We're trying to survive. We're doing it with a lot of vegetables, so it's gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna call these ready. Just sort of accelerating our cookery today in the interest of nightfall. I don't know if you can see me, but we're getting a lot of smoke. That's all delicious smoke from the eggplant. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna transfer this over here to like a little serving dish. Lost a piece or two there. Don't mind me. This is natural, don't worry. We're gonna just leave this here kind of warm. And then we're gonna move on to our tomatoes. These are going in. I think the big next step here is we're gonna mix everything. And then we're gonna give that a little time to blend together. We're gonna go in with the eggplant. Then I'm going to drain these potatoes over here. Get the water off. parboiled potatoes in. Something going on in there. So we've given it a couple minutes, it's been cooking down, and the flavors are starting to really mingle together. It's getting good. So I think it takes a few more minutes. We're trying to just get everything cooked, and then we're gonna just garnish with a little cilantro, a little lemon, and then we have our sumac spice. And then we're gonna be having something really good. Alright, so I'm gonna just serve this. We don't have any plates out here, so we're just gonna serve it on a piece of bread. It's rustic way to do this. Oopsie. We don't mind around the woods. And you know what? Since we're out here, I'm gonna just. So we're just warming up, toasting our bread directly on the coals. Not for the faint of heart. Whew. Toasty bread. I'm gonna take this off. Put it right here. What we're gonna do is, our herbs have actually frozen out here. I don't know if you can tell, but they're like really hard. It's the weirdest thing. We've got a bit of garnish. And then we're gonna hit it with some lemon. And we're gonna put our spicy sumac on it. Ooh. It's a nice beautiful color with that as well. And we got our toasty piece of bread here. So I'm gonna put that on. We get a potato on this bread. Get a little bit more. It's actually amazing. So that was tomato, potato, eggplant, cooked outside, served on a rustic piece of bread in the middle of winter.